Malaysia dia merah ekor deh. Tadi biru ekor deh. KLIA 2 guys. Flight pagi 10.35 Pekanbaru. International Airport, Malaysia Airport. Salam, dalam. Jom. Belum lagi, dia kena check in dalam.
Dia pernah mudik Jakarta apa?
Tak, Pekanbaru. Belum ada lagi. Ini MS. Ini KLIA 1 lah. Ini KLIA 1 nih. Cuma emas ke sini. Pesawat emas je kat sini. Air Asia tak ada. Air Asia tak ada.
Batik air tu kan?
Batik bukan. Salah itu ni lah. Cuma emas ke sini. Silap Andi ni. KLIA 1 punya ni, bukan KL2 ni. Andi pun lupa lah dia. Ngantuk dia kan. Mengantuk kan ni tidur. Terlebih tidur. Kita salah guys. Kita salah KLIA 1 ni. Bukan KLIA 2. KLIA 2. Nak kereta balik. Kena sambung balik ni kereta. Ingatkan KLIA 2. Rupanya Andi lupa KLIA 1 turun kat sini. Dia tak jauh lagi Mal. Tak jauh lagi. KLIA 2 nak mencari pintu pelepasan level 3. Level 3 guys. Ni Muhammad Iqmal dengan Andi ni.
Papa, you cannot go like that.
Nak lift.
What is that?
Lift tangga. Bukan lift bilik Ni bilik pelepasan. Daftar masuk pelepasan. Check in. Pelepasan. 10.35. Oh iya iya. 6436 tu. Lari dia. 431 0431. Open. Dah open dah sekarang. Tu guys, check in. X Bawai. Kita check in guys. Masuk deh situ. Oh, dia tutup.
Tutup ya, sana. Tutup ni. Bila ni Asia ni.
Ya. Oh, di sini. Oke, KLIA 2 nak menuju Pekanbaru guys, Pekanbaru. Kita nak menuju Pekanbaru. Nah, ni pesawatnya. Pesawat hitam pun ada, pesawat hitam. Teleport. Kita berada di ni Q01. Jangan sampai Q ni dari atas ni tadi. Turun sini, lepas tu jalan sini. Ni Q21. Q1 sampai Q1 sampai Q21 di KLIA 2. Menuju counter pesawatnya. Bukan counter ya, pintu pesawat. Kita menuju pintu pesawat. Baru tukarnya nih prakteknya. Macam ada darah-darah sikit, ada pinang masak sikit. Bridge sekali. Orange Bridge. Ini Orange Bridge. Pagi ini terbang 10.35 waktu Malaysia sampai 10.30 waktu Indonesia. Sebelum salat Jumaat kita dah mendarat di Sultan Syarif Kasim 2 Pekanbaru. Sikit menunggu, tak ada lift, agak menurun sikit. Q1 dan Q sampai Q21 ya, agak menurun. Menurun sikit. Pesan yang dekat luar tu Boeing 737 Boeing. Ni pesawat Boeing biasanya. AirAsia ni dia pakai pesawat Boeing Malaysia punya. AirAsia Malaysia. Besar guys pesawatnya, besar sangat. Besar sangat pesawatnya.
Begin our merchandise sales service. All our products are listed in the catalog in the zip pocket in front of you. We will be happy to show you any of our items such as AirAsia removable fly kitchen, AirAsia polo tee, Neo kitchen and many more. We accept major ringgit or other major currencies as well as MasterCard and Visa credit card. Once again, as a safety reminder, please be mindful when the cards are passing through the aisle.
Indonesia Customs and Excise requires all guests to fill out the customs declaration electronically via ECD that is available to be accessed in the Republic of Indonesia, foreign currency equivalent to 100 million rupiah, 100 million rupiah, or up to a maximum of 300 million rupiah. Thank you. This flight are serious offenses against the law of Republic of Indonesia, number 1, year 2009. Dear guests, Indonesia Customs and Excise requires all guests to fill out the customs declaration electronically via ECD that is available in M2. It is stipulated that all incoming guests who are bringing into the Republic of Indonesia foreign currency equivalent to 100 million rupiah or more are
morning to all of you, dear guests. We just landed at Sultan Sharif Qasim Dua International Airport. We are pleased to inform you that we've landed 25 minutes ahead of schedule. The local time now shows 5 minutes past 10 in the morning. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the aircraft come to a complete stop. Do be careful when opening your compartments. As a reminder, kindly ensure you have all of your personal belongings with you before leaving this aircraft. It was a pleasure having you on board and look forward to serving you again soon. If you need any assistance on arrival, please contact our ground staff. AirAsia Captain Ramesh, assisted by First Officer Shailesh and the rest of the crew members. We would like to say thank you for choosing AirAsia to your destinations and have a pleasant stay in Pekanbaru. Please do not hesitate to call us. Meanwhile, sit back, relax and enjoy the flight. Thank you.